Okay, it's been a while, but there is an update. I've gotten all my things back from the machine shop. I had to go through quite a lot to get this new cam. So here's the old cam, and you can see it's destroyed. All the journals are wiped out. And here's my nice new cam. And then the crankshaft came out fine. I actually ended up swapping it out for the same crank. It's also been grinded down 10 thousandths. And then, yeah, all the bearings and rings and things that I need. Here's the block. I ended up taking the block in, and I had them hone it and put new cam bearings in it. So I was just test fitting the rings yesterday. I have all the rings fit, checked all the ring gaps. I have them all labeled in the bags to the cylinder that they go in. So I should be able to start assembling the engine soon. Some other parts that I have: new oil pump. I have a full gasket kit back there. Pistons. Those ones got cleaned at the machine shop and measured, and all the lifters still in here. Bearings. The old oil pump honestly was fine, but you can see on some of the rotors there's just a lot of nicks, and there's some gouges on some of them, some of the teeth. So for $50, just got a new one. And just the only bad thing about that is that you have to set the pickup tube height, so which is fine. I have a pickup in here or somewhere. It's a pickup somewhere over here. Anyway, yeah, so that's the update. Yeah, I'll try to record some of it, but I also want to take my time, make sure everything goes together okay. So, and that's pretty much the update. So we'll see how much recording I do, and we'll get this thing put back together and back in the truck, because it has been quite a few weeks. So they got tied up at the machine shop. But yeah, I'm ready to get this thing driving again. It's been stuck here taking up space for quite a while. So yeah, hopefully everything goes smoothly.